Okay, here we have a Milwaukee 4210-1 electromagnetic drill press. It is unused, it's in really good condition, and we're going to fire it up for you just to show you that it does operate. We'll turn the magnet on, we check the magnet works fine. We're going forward, and this is your lowest speed here. Technically it's supposed to stop on 0, but it looks like it's only going from 1. So as you can see, as we increase the speed here, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn it back down, hit the E-stop, and then we'll go in the reverse direction here. Let's reverse. This is low speed. And again, we'll increase the speed. We'll turn it down to its lowest setting again. Like I said, it won't quite go to the 0 there, and that usually just turns it off. You have to hit the E-stop to make it stop. Overall, it's in really good condition, and all the functions on the machine operate very nice. This is a stationary base on here, 115 volt. Includes the chuck key, your instruction manual.